So to buy and sell shares in Ghana, we have something that we look about, and in the Ghana stock, we have a lot of sectors. So if case you want to buy your shares on those sectors, how can you know that this company is best for you? That's why this video is for you. I'm going to show you five best and companies that you can invest. So if you're looking for the best places or the best and the company to invest in this 2025, kindly watch this video to the end, and if you have any question, put it in the comment section. If you haven't liked this video or new to this channel, kindly subscribe. The first thing is, we have a lot of sectors in the Ghana Stock Exchange. One, we have the financial sector, we have the distribution, food and beverages, we have ICT, insurance, manufacturing, mining, agriculture, exchange, that ETF, and we have education and advertisement and production. So all these sectors, we have a lot of companies that are found in the Ghana stock market. That means on all these sectors, you see that we have companies out there that you can invest in it. On these sectors, which of the companies is best for you? So let's look at the 2024 statistics that the Ghana Stock Exchange give to us. If you look at here, they have selected all the sectors out here. We have the sectors here, we have the value traded, that's what the number of shares people own, and their currency or the amount of money they spend on getting those shares, and the total number of people who bought shares on those sectors. If you take the all these sectors, we see that the IT sector is leading. Why? The question is why IT sector is leading. Because if you go to the IT sector, because of the advancement of technology, the IT sector is now growing very fast. So if you have a company out there and you are investing, that means you probably make money in the future. And talking about that one, you think of what are the companies that are found in the IT sectors. The most popular company that are found there is the MTN Ghana. So MTN Ghana is one of the telcos companies that are found in the IT sectors, and it is listed in the Ghana stock market. That means if you own a shares or you bought a shares out there, you make money from it. When MTN started trading their shares to the public, and the first time they introduced it, their price was 0.75 or something like that. So as now, from that time to now, as I'm talking now the price is 2 CD and something. So at that moment, if you bought a shares at that moment, that means if you sell it today, you get triple of your money that you use that time to invest. You may think that if that time you invested the money in something like that you make money, but true, from that time coming, maybe they've been giving it their customers a dividend and stuff, so their customers are benefiting from dividend and stuff. So investing in the IT sectors also is very important. So the first company or the first sector that you can choose out here, I say the IT sector. And the next one, if you look at the statistics, according to the statistics from January to December, the next one is the financial sector. That's our banking and stuff. And from that one, we come to this sector, that's the insurance sector. The reason is that insurance sector is also is part we will talk about. And coming to the next, we have the distribution sector, and we have the food and beverages sector too here. So we have five here that we are going to talk about, the five major companies that we are going to talk about. So for you to know that this company is best for me, let's look at the finance sector here. And if you look at the finance sector, the amount of money people spend on getting these shares, if you look at here, you see that they spend a lot out here. And if you look at the total number also is high. That's 800 and something out here. That means this sector also is good. And coming down, we have the IT sector too. The IT sector is they spend billions of CDs to own these shares, and the total number of people who bought shares and only 2024 on MTN is 19,000 plus. Okay, and let's come to the insurance sector. The insurance sector also is what they spend a lot on the insurance sector, and the total number is 1,000 plus, right? And let's come to the food and beverages too. We have 2000 plus, and distribution we have to 2000 plus. So comparing this thing, for you to know that this company is good that I can invest in, first thing you look at the growth rate of the company, and you look at the existence of the company. Two, you look at how their product are working, how people are purchasing their product and stuff. After you have checked on this thing and come to this board here, on the board you check the total and value traded, or the volume traded, right? The total shares they be able to buy, okay? And from then you check the total number of traders, okay? So sometimes if you look at the money here, you see that some of the companies, the monies are high, but you come to the total number of people who bought the shares, you see that it is low. Let's come to the EFT here. The EFT I've checked here, and it's comparing the amount of money they spend here and the total number of people who bought the shares here. It is low comparing to some of the rest. So that means if you have high, or you are not a big man, you cannot invest. Checking out the prices here, you see that some of the IT, the finance sector, the prices may be low. Some of the IT sector, the prices may be low and stuff. So now let's go to the sectors one by one. So the financial sector, which company is leading? If you look at here, we have the car bank, which is leading, and the total volume is high, and the total traders also is high. So we have got one here, that's what the car bank here. From then we go to the stock market and check the prices out there, right? And check out their prices. So we have car bank here from this side, and we talk about the distribution. We have gold here. Gold is also leading in the distribution. The total value is also encouraging, and the total traders also is encouraging. So we have got two out here. Let's come to the IT sector. Okay, the food and beverages, let's leave that one for at this time. Let's come to the IT sector. The IT sector, MTN is probably the one which is leading, okay, and the total number is also encouraging out here. The total volume also is here. Traders also is here, it's encouraging. So we have got three. That's what three out here. Let's come to the insurance sector. The insurance sector, you see that we have EGF. Okay, so EGF also is here, and we have the SIC also is here. And comparing these two, this is also encouraging. For us to pick one, we can check their duration and their past record, and we can check for the volume here, the value that they spend here. You see that this one, the value is high, but the total traders also, this one is high, and the total volume also, this one is high. So we can say the ETF also is encouraging. And let's come to the food and beverages. That's our last one that we are going to pick out here. The food and beverages also is here. We have for Guinea Ghana beverages also is very fun here. We have the farm make family also is also encouraging here. So after we have done with all these tasks, the next thing is we can now go to the stock market and check their pricing. So on the stock market, when we check our prices, we saw that the car bank, the price is 0.38 Ghana pesos. 0.38 Ghana pesos. That means if you have, let's say, 10 CD, you can get a lot of shares from car bank, right? And the distribution sector, the gold also, it is 1 CD 57 pesos. That means you can also get a lot of shares out there. And MTN, the master of all, MTN is what, 2 CDs 65 pesos, right? That means you can also get a lot out there. And the food and beverages, so these two, we pick Guinness Ghana, we pick Farmek, because if you compare these two companies, a lot of people are patronizing on their companies. A lot of people are buying farm milk, yogurt, and stars every day and every night. And Guinness Ghana, we are buying the Mortar Guinness, all their products. A lot of people are purchasing it. So comparing their prices, Guinness Ghana, the price is 5 CD 50 pesos, and the farm milk, the price is 3 CD 70 pesos. So if you look at here, these are my first five or my best five companies. In case you want to invest or start buying shares, I recommend for you so that you can check it out and buy a shares out there. You not to lose your money. So when I come to the trade life and check for car bank here, car bank is now growing here. Okay, so car bank, it is growing. So that means if I buy shares, it will also grow for me one day so that I can get my Guinea Ghana also is growing. Okay, it is growing. At first 2024 it was 4 CD 70 pesos. Now the price has increased to 5 CD 50 pesos, 5 CD 50 pesos. So for gold today it is what, 1 CD 57 pesos. That means it has been a lot of increase. Okay, it has increased out here, so you can also invest in there. And so we have a lot of companies. You can come here and check it out, right? So if you have a question, let me know in the comment section, and if you are facing any problem, let me know in the comment section. Our next video, we look at how to invest your money, how to put your money on the IC liquidity and benefit from it rather than putting it on MTN. There's telcos that you will not get nothing from it.